What's up? Is your PC too sluggish for your liking? How frequently do you find yourself looking at the loading icon? Don't worry, because in this video, we'll show you the top 5 techniques to speed up your PC. Let's make sure we're all on the same page before we begin. When we talk about faster, we're referring about how much more quickly your computer can perform things like launch programs, surf the web, and download data. Thus, let's not waste any more time and get right in. First step, remove any software that isn't being used. Although it's probably clear, many people have unused software installed on their computers. If you have a lot of programs installed and don't utilize them, they're just taking up space on your hard disk and slowing down your computer. So, it is recommended that you examine your computer's software and remove any unnecessary applications. Tip number 2, turn off auto start software. There are likely a number of applications that launch immediately after you switch on your computer. The boot time of your computer may be lengthened by some of these apps, some of which are essential, but others of which are not. Launch Task Manager and switch to the Startup tab to stop Windows from automatically starting apps. In this manner, you can pick and choose which applications to turn off. Third, declutter your hard disk or SSD. Over time, your hard drive or SSD can accumulate unnecessary files, such as temporary ones, outdated downloads, and so on. As well as taking up space, this can cause your computer to run more slowly. The disk cleaning tool is a built-in Windows utility for removing unnecessary files from your hard drive. Clean My Mac is a free application that may be used on a Mac. By maintaining a clean hard disk or SSD, you may enhance your computer's performance and make room for what really matters. 4. Add more random access memory. Perhaps insufficient memory is the cause of your computer's sluggish performance. Random access memory, or RAM, is a type of memory used temporarily by a computer to hold data as it processes data and commands. If your computer doesn't have enough RAM, it will have to use the hard drive instead, which will slow down your work. More RAM can be added to a computer by purchasing and installing extra memory. However, before purchasing, you should examine your computer specifications. Increasing the amount of memory, RAM, on your computer allows it to run more programs and processes concurrently, which in turn increases the speed at which everything runs. One more piece of advice: in the vast majority of instances, solid-state drives, SSD, are preferred to mechanical ones. The SSD stores data in flash memory as opposed to traditional hard drive spinning disks. As there are no moving elements in an SSD, it is mechanically much less likely to fail than a traditional hard drive. This makes them more reliable over time than ordinary hard drives. Another advantage of SSDs over regular HDDs is their superior speed. As there are fewer moving parts, data may be retrieved faster, which can improve performance in a variety of ways. So that's it for this informational video. We hope you enjoyed watching and have increased your understanding of why your PC may be performing slowly and found a solution. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.